Okay, so this is my Mean Length of Utterance MLU calculator. It's based off of the paper and pencil version that I had done before. It allows you to quickly and easily get a mean length of utterance. You can do it in real time if you have a child who will let you, use a computer while you're with them. Um, so, for example, for this, up at the top where it says number of morphemes in the utterance in blue, that's represented by those numbers there. Then in the next column, you have total number of utterances of the above morpheme length. Right now, these are all zeros because we don't have anything filled in, but those will change as I mark down the number of utterances. And then in the white, we have number of utterances of that morpheme length. So the way this would look is I'm going to put, instead of a tally mark, I'm going to put the number 1 each time a child says an utterance of that utterance length. So, for example, if the child said ball, that was one word. So you're going to put a 1 in that column. If they say balls with a plural S, you would put then a check mark there, a number 1 there to represent that. If they say 2 balls, then that will go here in the 3 column because that utterance had 3 morphemes. And let's just keep filling this out as if the child is talking. I want ball, my ball, your ball, play ball, let's play ball. Oops. And it actually doesn't matter. I would like to start it back up there at the 1, but it doesn't matter where in this I put that. Let's see. Roll ball, kick ball, your turn, want blue ball, my ball, where's ball? Okay, so now if I look over here in the M column, I see that the mean length of utterance for that language sample has been automatically calculated for me based on the total number of morphemes in the language sample. It was calculated at 33 because they had one morpheme utterance, 16 that were two morphemes long, 12 that were 3 utterances long, and 4 that were 4 morphemes long. So if we add that, 16 plus 12 would be 28, plus 4 would be 32, plus that one, 33. So that checks out. And then the total number of utterances in the language sample, if we count these ones, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So then this formula I have in there just automatically calculated those by dividing, and there we have our answer for mean length of utterance. And if I want to move this to see the full thing, there we go. That's the MLU. So let me know if you guys would like to see this posted in my Teachers Pay Teacher store. I think this will be pretty handy for those of you who can use a computer while with the child. I think it works better on the computer than it would on a tablet, even though there are Google Sheets apps for your tablet or phone. Usually you have to double click on those cells to get them to enter. So I just find it easier to do on the computer because all I did for each cell is I would arrow over with the arrow keypad, arrow over or arrow down.